Hello everyone, this is Lady Vicenti. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If not, hello again. Please subscribe to my channel. I will greatly appreciate it. And a thumbs up if you like this video. Today, I'm going to do the unboxing of something that I was waiting for so long. You may have seen already the unboxing of my first Saint Laurent bag, but I received this other Saint Laurent bag that I was looking for a while right now, and I was so excited when I get it, and I cannot wait to open it because I still didn't open it, and I wanted to do it with you. A lot of you probably saw this bag coming up this last month, and well, let's get into it. So here it is, the huge bag. Yeah, I mean the huge box. Probably a huge box. Why? Because it's a huge bag. Oops. So here's a box with a little Saint Laurent stamp on it. And this is a duster inside. You have the duster. Saint Laurent duster. Excuse me. And oh my goodness! The Maxi Tote. Oh, it's beautiful. Look at that. It's huge. I cannot even show you how huge it is because it's so huge. So I cannot show you in the camera. So here you have the logo Yves Saint Laurent in metal. Okay. And you have the quilted lambskin leather. It's just, I don't know if you can see it, but it's really shiny. And it's shiny in person. And soft, really soft. A lot of people say that you have to take care of lambskin leather, so I will tell you. But anyway, so let's keep going. So inside the tote, you have a bag, a little pocket that comes with it. And it's attached to a little hook right here. So cute, by the way, that you can put inside to detach the bag. Here is a little pocket with a zipper, and you see how shiny. And inside the pocket, of course, they put a bunch of paper that I'm taking off, and you have the logo inside Saint Laurent Paris with a little pocket. So that's the bag inside with a little pocket, but you do not have a logo on top in front of the bag. It is. I love it. It's so shiny. It's so beautiful. Oh my goodness. And then you have, of course, the bag. Let's go to the bag. All right. So I'm going to take away all the paper that they put inside. It comes with a lot of paper and a protector for the little chain. But I guess, you know, the paper is good. I will put it back to show it is when it looks full. So, hop. And this is a bag with a paper. So inside the bag, you have one zipper. Of course, you have the logo Yves Saint Laurent Paris. Okay. You have the zipper. Big pocket, huge pocket. I mean, don't be scared to not have room in this bag. The specificity of the bag, the little card that they gave you, come with it. And I mean, look, it's huge. So for sure, you have a lot of room. So you can have the bag that way, the tote that way, in large, big. And then you can change it with this little chain right here. So I'm going to show you. If you take this little chain across the other little circle, anneau, you place it inside. And then you will be able to fold your tote a different way. So you just take it this way That way, and your tote will be a different shape. Okay? There you go. And I work too. All that with a little chain, and then of course the chain will be in between. So when you look on you, that way will be this way. And then I will show you after the other side. Okay. It's really shiny, it's so beautiful, guys. And then if you want it the other way, simply take away the little hook, the chain, back inside the circle. And you will have the tote the big way. Here you go. So I'm 5'10", so this side doesn't look ridiculous on me. I love it, and I love big purse. So for me, it's not an issue. If you're shorter than me, then maybe, I don't know, maybe it's huge. But I mean, it's a comeback. So I just love huge bag, and I needed a tote. I have, of course, a Never Full from Louis Vuitton, but everybody has a Never Full of Louis Vuitton. Okay. Maybe I'll show you. This is the Yves Saint Laurent tote. Here you go. What do you think? Well, again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like the review. If you were thinking about buying this tote, I will absolutely recommend it. I think it's great. I think it's stylish. I think it's beautiful. So go for it. And retail price is $4,900 on Yves Saint Laurent website in United States. And actually, I was looking on Fashion Field, and some people are selling it for $5,600. Fashion Field is good because you can buy second-hand purse for cheaper, which is great. But second-hand purse needs to be cheaper, not more expensive. So I don't understand why some people sell a second-hand purse for more. So this one is a new one, and I bought it directly from the website Yves Saint Laurent, and I bought it for $4,900. Here you go. So if you were thinking about getting it, get it. Get it. Oh wait, that someone put it on Fashion Field for less expensive. So that's it for me. Thank you for watching. Please, if you like this video, thumb up and subscribe. And if you didn't see my other video about my other Yves Saint Laurent bag, please go watch it. Those are my two first Saint Laurent bag, and that's why I wanted the big one and the little one. So if you didn't see my review about this little one, go for it. Go look at it. Thank you so much for subscribing, and I will see you soon. This was Lady Vicente. Bye, everyone.